Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to change password in Gmail. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in Gmail/Google. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is open up your browser or any browser that you want. Mine, I'm using Chrome. But the main thing is just open up your browser that has your account. Then click right here on your profile. Then go to manage your Google account. After clicking on manage your Google account, go to security right here. Left corner, using Google account, go. Then scroll down, you will see password. As you can see, password, click on password. So clicking on password, type in your password to verify that it's you. Okay, type in our password right here. We're entering, signing in. Now, we can change our password. So we're gonna add a new password. So we're gonna add, so right now I'm just gonna blur this, guys. This. And click on change password right here. Everything's correct. Now click on change password. You can update your password here, but for me, I won't update my password there. There you go. That's how you change your password in Gmail/Google. So yeah, if you have any questions, type it in the comment section below, and I'll give you a quick tip on changing a password. If you want to change a password on something, it can be Gmail, Facebook, or etc. Steam, Riot. The thing is that I do to remember my password and don't forget them is I type them in my email. I just send the I'll just compose an email, put all my passwords there. I put an indication, for example, this is Steam, and the password for my Steam. Then put the indication there. Then I just send it to myself. So whenever I go to my phone and go to my Gmail, or if ever I forgot my other password like Steam, etc., those, and I don't have my phone currently, I'm just gonna borrow a phone or just log into another device. Then after I log in there, then just check on my email to see my password. And there you go. So yeah, that's just a quick tip on you for you to remember your password in any accounts. So yeah, there you go, guys, and hope you like the video. Because you enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.